Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. We're doing a tune-up report today on the RCI-2950. This is for Arnt in Norway. Okay, let's check it out. Power all the way down. Take a listen, it's 10 watts across the top scale. Power all the way down is 1, and all the way up is 10. Peak power, 50 watt slug. Be reading in the middle here, there's 40. Audio. Oh, got it enough there. Let's try it. Audio. Check. Audio. 44. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check. Audio. And we'll go to sideband. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check. Audio. And there you have it. Something we've done here I didn't mention, we changed the keyboard to blue. And that's just a new display real well. Hey, Breaker 19 for radio check. We get that around here once in a while. We go, some piece of machinery down on the top of the building, maybe. But it makes that noise once in a while. How about it, 19? Can I get a radio check? How about it? Hey, how about it? Does radio sound okay? Thank you very much. Have a fine day.